We don't want to be another Flint, Michigan.
Murfreesboro city leaders are now preparing for a legal battle over environmental damage after rejecting a settlement agreement with the operators of the Middle Point Landfill on Highway 231. So what does this mean for the people living nearby? That's the question. Fox 17 News' Chris Knowles is live in Murfreesboro now with why the city council just said no to a settlement and what's next for these neighbors. Hey, Chris.
Scott, after months of negotiations, the city of Murfreesboro said no to a settlement with the operators of the Middle Point landfill. And what does that mean for the folks that live near it? They will have to deal with the lingering smell and uncertainty until this goes to court.
Well, the smell can get pretty bad.
People like Melissa Farley have lived with that smell for years, but it's not just the stench she's worried about.
What's even more concerning for us is the PFAS in the water. It's 34 times higher than in average landfills.
The city of Murfreesboro recently drew a settlement with BFI and Republic, the operators of the landfill. The settlement plan deal would have required the companies to build systems to reduce PFAS, also known as forever chemicals, and implement a new plan to monitor odors and groundwater. It also promised monthly testing, stricter oversight, and a new odor complaint system, all aimed at addressing long-standing concerns from residents living near the landfill.
The smell, the odor and the smell are by far the biggest complaints.
But Councilmember Sean Wright says trust was a big issue.
There was just no guarantees that they were actually going to do anything that they actually said they would do in the settlement.
Neighbors feel the same way.
If they can't follow state regulations, how are we going to expect them to follow the stuff that's set out in the settlement?
By voting no, city leaders say they're not backing down and remain opposed to any landfill expansion or extension.
We're going to go to court to fight for everything, the settlement and more, to try to see if we can get the everyday citizens taken care of and protected from their violations.
And for Melissa Farley, it's a fight worth having.
We don't want to be another Flint, Michigan.
The city has also stamped its disapproval against any expansion of that landfill in a resolution. And the county ultimately makes that decision, but city leaders want it to be known that they do not approve. Reporting live in Murfreesboro, I'm Chris Knowles, Fox 17 News, your Code Red station.